We just got back from TDX, and as you know, the big announcement was Headless 360. I think there's some marketing problems there, but I'll leave that for others to debate. But what is Salesforce talking about? What they're talking about is the ability to use Salesforce from a CLI, from MCP, from an API, and not just from a browser. Matter of fact, Salesforce seems to be moving away from the browser, which is excellent. And so, but as we just talked about this, though, with Snapshot, some of the things we do are computationally massive. AI can't do that. They're long-running API transactions. AI is terrible at that. They're the massive gigabytes of data that has to be summarized. AI is terrible at that. But Snapshot's really good at those things. And so what we've done is we've turned Snapshot into a tool for AI because not only can it see your screen, it can click on things and drive the car. And so this is what, I call it self-driving Snapshot. This is really what our roadmap is all about and how Snapshot becomes headless. You're going to be there in Slack and you're going to send Snapshot a message and say, investigate this, do this, deploy that, set up this developer data in the sandbox, come back, tell me how it all went. And Snapshot will go do all that stuff for you and come back with whatever the results or the message are. And so then you're using Snapshot from Slack or from email or from, just an instant message or however you want to use it. So that's really our vision for the headless org management application of the future that's going to really make Salesforce easier to manage, less expensive to own, make it easier to perform transformations on your org and everything like that.